Well, good morning, YouTube. Hey guys, it's Sunday morning. The rally's pretty much over. Katie and I are walking over to the Beaver Bar. Gonna meet with Wes and Cindy. We're gonna have some breakfast buffet. Then we're gonna come back over. And most likely, we're gonna start tearing down unless magically a bunch of people show up. Looks very different early in the morning, doesn't it?
Tomorrow. How you doing, Adam?
Pretty good. How about you?
Three of our friends went down to Macedonia this morning to come to the
Good morning, Gus. Well, guys, we're opened up, and as I expected, there are no customers here, no one to be found. So we're just gonna start packing it up, and of course, if you can hear that, it's starting to rain now. But it looks like it's only gonna rain a little bit. Then we'll get a window of not rain. Hopefully, by the time we go to take the awnings down, they'll be dry. With any luck, I hate putting it away wet. All right, guys, I got the trailer and we're back over here, but got a couple cars parked in the way. So I need to pull forward here, but these two cars parked here while I was gone. That way I can get the trailer forward so that we can load everything straight into the trailer. All right, guys, the really inconsiderate that parked in front of us has finally moved. So now we're gonna move the trailer in place. Monster Bright pulled out, so now we've got plenty of room. Hi guys, about 20 till 3. We got almost everything in. Chips put in the water barrels up top. All the big stuff's on the lift. After this, it goes up. We just have to load the downstairs. And then pull the canopy down.
That's what you were saying.
Well guys, about 4:30 in the afternoon, and we've been done for a little bit. I was hoping for 3:30, but we had a couple things that had rearranged the way we put them in the trailer, so it took a little bit longer. But nevertheless, we're done. So I think we're gonna go clean up and we're gonna go have dinner, and yeah, we're gonna see Jimmy again. But we're gonna do it different this time. Jimmy is not letting us go to his restaurant and eat. I invited Jimmy down here. When we have a show here in Myrtle Beach and things are good, we try to go to Wicked Tuna for dinner. So I called Jimmy and said, hey, you've treated us. It's time you come out to dinner with us this time and let us take care of you. So he agreed to come visit with us, and I think that's gonna be the plan. So we're gonna check in with some of the other vendors that are gonna go and see what their schedules are looking like so that we can make that happen. So we'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Well guys, we made it to Wicked Tuna, but it almost didn't happen. So last time we talked, told you we were gonna go check in with our friends and see what their schedule is looking like. And Dee and Anthony, they were pretty close to being done, and they said, yeah, we can be done and we can go to Wicked Tuna about 7 p.m. Unfortunately, Wes and Cindy, they weren't on schedule to be able to get there until about 9, and we didn't want to wait that late. So Katie and I decided to help Wes and Cindy break down, save them a couple of hours, and we got done about 6:30. So they ran in to clean up, and they should be here any minute. But here we are, 7 o'clock at Wicked Tuna as planned, and Jimmy should be here to meet us. Guys, now one of the things that I really love about Wicked Tuna is the fresh catch. Remember, this place is right on the inlet, so they send boats out in the morning, they catch the fish, they bring them back in, cook them for us to eat. All right, guys, so we had a fantastic dinner here at Wicked Tuna, and it was really enjoyable. It was probably a great way to close out Myrtle Beach Bike Week 2023. I'm not getting everybody in there. All right, guys. Anyway, as I said in yesterday's video, we did a little bit of drone footage, and because today's video is so short, I'm going to throw that in for you right here. But before we do, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Really enjoy all the people that came out and said hi. We had a great time. The sales were good. and we got to meet some really cool new friends like Jimmy, and spend some time with some older friends. Not that they're old, they're just, we've been friends a long time. But anyway, guys, once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next time I see ya.
Keep those engines running.